Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In this video, I want to show you how these are very important movements, final movements for Bitcoin to decide the final direction, because only few hours are left in ending of this current weekly candlestick. And we can see that we are still moving above this very significant support of $28,600. But before starting this analysis, by the way, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this chart, and we can see right now Bitcoin is moving at approximately $30,000. And I have been telling you in my every video that we have this very strong support at $28,600. We can see it is breaking as a support here from the month of January 2021. And we have several touch points here and a few more touch points here as well. And right now, even though we had a spike up to $25,400, but the price line recovered back. And if I switch to the smaller time frame, then you can see it is bounced by the support of this very big falling wedge pattern, this trend line, and also the support of $28,600. For a while it was moved down, but it is recovered back and retested the previous resistance. Because it was moved here, then definitely it was this support was turned into the resistance, and it broke it out. Therefore it retested this level once again as a support, and now it is likely to move up from here. Now, this is very important for Bitcoin to close above this $28,600 support level on the weekly time frame. And previously we have seen that when we touched this support here and we were closed above this this $28,600 support level on the weekly time frame, then we had a very nice rally. And here we have again seen here that when it was moved down, we were closed above the $28,600, and again we had a very nice rally. And if we once again take a look at the stochastic, then we can see that on the weekly time frame, stochastic is completely oversold, and we are likely to receive a bull cross very soon, like we received here. And we had a nice move to the upside. Same as like that, this blue line is going to cross up. So far this cross is not confirmed, but on the closing of the week, within few hours it can cross up this orange line. That will be the buying signal by the stochastic. And on even on the monthly time frame, we can see that the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. And this is, by the way, happening third time in the history of Bitcoin. And every time Bitcoin, when it comes out from the oversold zone, Bitcoin starts very huge big rallies. Now if we switch to the 4-hour time frame here, then while we are getting bounced by the support of this $28,600 and the support of this very big wedge, at the same time Bitcoin has also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Almost all top altcoins, top cryptocurrencies have formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern. But if Bitcoin breaks out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then there will be a very high probability that the top altcoins which have formed the head and shoulder pattern with Bitcoin, they will also break out the resistance and they will start the rallies with Bitcoin as well. So this is the left shoulder, this is head, this is right shoulder, and here we have the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. And if Bitcoin breaks out this resistance of head and shoulder pattern, then next expected target can be here. That will be approximately here at $36,400, and we can see that the resistance of this falling wedge pattern will be approximately at $36,000. So in that situation, after this breakout, if we will have the breakout on the 4-hourly time frame with sufficient buying volume, then we can also see that Bitcoin can make another attempt to break out the resistance of this falling wedge. So next few hours are very important. The weekly candlestick is going to be closed very soon, within few hours, and if we will have the closing above this support, the support of the wedge and also the support of $28,600, then it will be a big cause of increasing the interest of the buyers, and there can be more and more buyers come in Bitcoin, and they will start buying Bitcoin more and more, and then we can expect that it can break out this wedge very soon. The target for this falling wedge, again I'm going to tell you, is approximately here at the top of the wedge, approximately $68,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.